is an automobile. Today, we want to share you a tractor, G7S, with high equipment and high horsepower. It's equipped with Truck's 7th generation SEMT 16-gear transmission and MAN engine. The interior adopts the latest design of Sitrak model. With double warning and 360-degree quadrilateral camera, safety is guaranteed. Here is the LCD instrumentation and the center control screen. We can say all of which are large size. And original part in air conditioning. Here is multi-directional adjustable airbag seats.